Hey everyone, what's the one thing that you need at night while driving? You guessed it, lights. Do you want dull lights like this? Probably not. Or do you want bright lights like this from 1A Auto? I know I wouldn't want to drive around with headlights looking like this, but do you have loved ones? Would you want them to drive around with headlights like this? I know I wouldn't. Sure, they make kits that you can buff and wax them, but how long do they last? Not very long. They even make special towels that you just wipe. But how long is that gonna last? It ain't gonna last long at all either. This is a safety issue. You wanna replace this now rather than later. Not all headlights are the same. Some you need to remove the bumper. They have clips and screws on both sides where the wheels are. Some have clips and screws on the top and on the bottom. In our case, we had to remove the grille and 2 trim pieces, and there were 2 10mm bolts behind. Once you remove your headlight, disconnect your connectors for all your bulbs. Make sure you have good connections on the new headlights. And also remember to do your headlights in pairs. You never just want to replace one headlight. 1A Auto does sell them as a kit where it comes with both headlights. Look at how clear those are. Way better than those foggy ones. Let's give them a test.